Hey Chris, you know, today I have a wonderful day. Uh, maybe I could, maybe I can feel the spark. But yeah, uh, it makes me think that once you age, you will never experience your birthday now. I mean, like, uh, the birthday that you experience is maybe not the same because I don't know. It thinks that it's not very special now. Yeah, it's so sad. Well, well, it's not gonna hardly happen to me because I make things very special to myself, and I don't know, it's kind of been halfly put the effort from my other sister because he wanted to help, but I smiled, and yeah, I realized that even though it's not a bad way to think that every birthday is a special moment for a child, once you grow up, it's not very kind of special anymore because it's only a repeat sessions. It's like a responsibility, or maybe I'm just too busy. And yeah, maybe on my next birthday, yeah, happy birthday to me. I would make a very special scene for myself that I don't know, make my birthday words kind of special for me. So maybe that's what I learned from my birthday, and I think everyone should do it. Well, I'm quite surprised that there's few people watching our story here, and yeah, my only goal is to document my life in 10 years from now. I don't if there are any kind of improvements. It's just like doing journaling in public, but I I can gather a crowd. We're kind of been funny though, but uh, maybe those things are meant to learn in the future. It's like making your own short film, and maybe in the future, I guess I could look back on it, how much I have grown. Yeah, maybe that's it. And tomorrow there will be a rehearsal in our ROTC, and maybe we could start avoiding some of the bad habits of mine because I want to kill off the some of the bad habits of mine to make room for the growth for financial freedom because I am earning a lot, really a lot. I don't know, it's my preference of a lot here of capital, and maybe could use it for growing a business. But I keep always saying that keep growing a business here and that, and still don't make it. Well, I always get part of the thinking, but the actions is not present. So maybe that's the problem. I just need to find the time, protect that, and grow. Even it's worse, at least I could make any kind of progress, just like in chess, and maybe I could progress there. Yeah, maybe that's it. That's gonna be the goal for today. So, peace.